What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you for taking the time to checking this out. This is going to be a very short and sweet video about the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 2 that DJI just announced at CES Las Vegas. We're just going to take a look at the specs. Of course, this thing hasn't even come out yet, but what I am looking at is the ability for it to be able to do portrait video. Typically on the original one, you would have to flip it sideways, but this one allows you to flip the phone instead. One could say that it does something similar to the Smooth Q. Other things that I just noticed, a lack of the little trigger in the back. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that about the Osmo where you triggered and it locked the tilt head. Now apparently it's gonna be working more kinda like the Smooth Q. You just simply switch modes. There's like a big M right here. I'm pretty sure you can see that. And that big M allows you to switch modes, just like the Smooth Q. Other really cool things that I noticed was the ability for you to do the hyperlapses. I'm a fan of Sam Calder on YouTube, and he does some really cool like hyperlapses, like a time lapse moving while focusing on something. I don't know, they're really cool. They're hard to make manually, but I guess there's some sort of active tracking that you're gonna be able to use to do that. You also have the traditional time-lapse mode, motion lapse, where you can pan from left to right, top and bottom, point A, point B, point C. You're gonna have your slow-mo capabilities, and of course the zoom control. There's gonna be a knob now on the side of the Osmo instead of just holding the trigger and pushing up with the regular DJI Osmo. Kinda just like the Smooth Q. I don't know, guys. It's looking pretty similar. Yeah, I like the ability for you to use that cinematic control and be able to kind of like pan and zoom in as you're moving around, which is really cool. Panoramic shots, of course, that's nothing new. We've been able to do that. I don't know if they're gonna include additional pano modes, but right now we have the regular pano, 330 degrees max, if I'm not mistaken. And then of course we have the big fisheye one. If you hear those noises, that's my wife. Now this is something that has me very intrigued, is that it says over here that it is packing a 15-hour battery. Holy crap, that's a lot of battery. All right, but let's go a little bit deeper. Now, what I'm very interested in is its ability to pan and tilt. The Smooth Q allows you to pan full 360 nonstop, which is really useful. Having said that, if I'm not mistaken, the regular DJI Osmo Mobile, wait a second. Well, the new one will do 170 plus and minus, so 170, what the hell is that? 340 degrees, she nailed it, guys. School's out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're excited for the DJI Osmo Mobile. There's a lot of videos with the Smooth Q coming out very shortly, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you're having a great day. Peace. Oh, and I forgot about something. It has a tripod mount at the bottom and a USB port. Just like the Smooth Q. What's going on?